All right, folks, so we're back with another unboxing. This is a Keychron Q10 Max knob version of a 75% Alice wireless mechanical keyboard. It's an open source customizable keyboard for peak productivity. I can tell you that I wish I had a scale because this is one hefty keyboard. Take a look at the back real quick. 75% layout, double gasket design, dual compatibility. It's Mac and Windows, open source firmware, 2.4 gigahertz and Bluetooth. Pair up to 3 Bluetooth devices. Screw-in stabilizer. It has an extended battery life with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery and light effects for the keyboard. So let's not waste any more time. As I said, wow, it's quite heavy. Let's get in to see what's inside the box. I have to tell you, when I got it and I felt the packaging, I didn't think there was a keyboard in there before I opened it because of the weight. I've been told that they make some hefty keyboards. So here we are, quick start guide. I need my glasses to read that, but it tells you to connect the receiver to USB port, to turn it on, and you have buttons, choice buttons, or you have the Bluetooth option. So that's basically how to get it connected. And then some real small print here for connecting by cable, adjusting backlight brightness, layers, remapping software. You can remap the keys. Had the backlight, adjusting the backlight speed and factory resets. And that's about it. It's nicely packaged. Ooh, there we are. What do we have here? Here we have the actual manual. And as usual, this print is not too bad, but it's pretty small. Tells you about downloading the firmware and the QMK toolbox. I guess that's how you map the keys. I'm going to have some fun with this. And Keychron tells you how to install the keys. Make sure switch pins are straight before inserting switch. Please be gentle. Make sure to align the pins properly with the socket. Let's see what we have as accessories first. We have a USB-A to USB-C cable. We have this is somewhat, oh, here we go. It's two things. So we have a USB-C to USB-A extender, and we have a USB, this is the 2.4 gigahertz dongle. We have a screwdriver and a tweezers, likely for removing keys, key extractor. We have a number of screws, some felt, looks like some membrane for replacing, I guess, if the membranes go bad. I'm not sure exactly, but we'll see that in the review. And I've got some keys here, Alt, and a Windows key. These are keycaps, of course. Rub my hand through here. There's nothing else left. Let's get the bad boy out. Ooh, I can't even know if I can pick this up. This is one. There's nothing else left in the bottom, as you can see. I promise you, this is one hefty, hefty keyboard. Man, this thing, I wish I had a scale. That's something I have to buy soon. So when I do some of these reviews, you can, put some semblance to when I say it is hefty. The turn knob here, we'll figure out the functions. Keys have a nice feedback, feel really good. This is a massive keyboard. At the top, we've got, what do we got here? I need my glasses almost. You've got cable, Bluetooth, or dongle, and you've got Windows or Mac. I can easily switch that over to Windows right away. You got a USB-C port. That might be a reset next to it. It's a tiny hole. That's usually what that is. Nothing on the bottom. Nothing but the four, these are not rubber. These are like silicone legs and screws. And I suspect that the screws we saw earlier here look like the exact screws that are here around the keyboard. So maybe in the event that you have to open it up to replace this rubber membrane, And then it also has 2 additional feet in here. So that's the unboxing. The next time you'll see it is be hooked up to my computer. I'll do some typing with it. I'm not the greatest typist, but I love the angle. Pretty nice angle. It doesn't have a wrist rest, but this feels really good. I notice it doesn't have a keypad either, which is something I really like, and I really depend on the print screen key. So I'm hoping with these buttons here, which I think are memory 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are programmable, that I can program functions that I need into it. Until we get to that part, telling you once again, give you a look, Keychron Q10 Max knob version. The rest of the review to come soon, and you'll be able to read the entire review at the-gadgeteer.com. I'll put the link in the description below.